Wagwan people, I'm talking to this girl and I'm expected to know when it's the time of the month. Why couldn't girls be more like the Japanese?
Wave that flag.
Then we would know it's the time of the month. I'm just saying, people. So this girl looked at me and said, well, you should get your period then you will understand. I think we could deal with it pretty well. Yo, I want my phone there. Yo, what that?
I have leaked.
Hold on.
Oh crap, man. Leroy, what you doing? I'm taking care of my business.
Drama, you have a band-aid, I have leak, man, I have leak.
Band-aid? Does it look like I'm a pharmacy? I'm busy watching my Jersey Shore.
And dealing with all those mood swings, I'm sure we can keep our cool.
Yeah, just got my nails done and my hair did, and I brought a surprise for you.
Quincy, don't bother me, man.
I
Just
bought
don't
you
bother
some
me.
apricot juice.
Quincy,
Don't you want to taste it?
Quincy, don't touch
It tastes so good.
Quincy, I said don't. Yo, man, yo, I have like this headache in my man breast. 2 headache? Yo, how come they're so swell up, man? Yeah, then the craving for the chocolate. Where is the chocolate? Chocolate, chocolate.
Quincy, where's the chocolate? Quincy, where's the chocolate, man?
Go back to bed, man. We don't have no chocolate, man. Me tired. Me have to get up to work. You know the On second thought, ladies, you can keep the period business. Blow it. No, wait, no. Kudos to the girls, man, that handle that thing so well. But I guess the point of the video I'm trying to make is when it's the time of the month, tell us. So with all this said and done, I have to ask, what's the best thing about being a female? Leave your thoughts and comments down below in the boom box. And men, what's your favorite thing about the female? No, you know what, men? You know what? Just see if you can solve the riddle for this week. Hit me up on the Facebook, the Twitter, and the Google Plus. And yeah, see you guys next week. So until next time, I'm Leroy Stedman Kenton, the original natural born Jamaican black man. Boom.
I have leaked.
Grandma, I have leak. No, I don't like that one.
It was
Grandma,
good. It was
I have a leak. I have a leak. Yo, do you have a band-aid?
I'm holding it in a certain position that's amazing, so go.
Okay, do you have a band-aid? Moonwalk. Michael Jackson would kill me. I'm ruining his moonwalk. But I can do this.